You're receiving the CyberStream System Update, your daily bite of cyber news. My name is Matt Cordell, and I'm the COO of CyberStreams. We are your neighborhood IT department. Today's update, real-time data monitoring for operations. Real-time data monitoring is a business practice in which employees monitor the performance of machinery and equipment while in use. It can benefit you regardless of what kind of facility you manage or work in. I find the manufacturing industry to be a useful analogy for all sorts of businesses. We're all running a production facility, which depends on the proper functioning of people, tools, and machines or software to deliver expected levels of output over a given period of time. I've put together 3 takeaways and next steps. First, what is real-time data monitoring? Real-time data monitoring involves using sensors and other data sources to monitor a machine's performance. With real-time alerts, employees can closely monitor a machine on the work floor to track productivity and monitor for potential hiccups. Real-time data monitoring solutions allow you to observe potential safety or network security risks in your machinery and its operations. 2. What is predictive maintenance? Predictive maintenance is the data-based prediction of when a piece of machinery will fail. Such data is beneficial to places like a factory or a plant because every machine needs maintenance at some point. No matter how carefully you use it, and understanding when that maintenance should occur can help employees work more effectively. Another aspect of predictive maintenance is machine learning, which allows organizations to make informed decisions by analyzing real-time monitoring data. As the algorithm takes in more data, it can better understand and display results to employees and supervisors in charge. As a tool, machine learning assists employees in leadership positions by predicting when a machine will need maintenance, what parts are more or less likely to require repair, and what a proper maintenance schedule might look like in the future. And 3, why use real-time data monitoring and predictive maintenance? The benefits of real-time data monitoring and predictive maintenance encompass production and safety. Machines that break down or shut down for required maintenance could halt production, not just on the floor that they're a part of, but also entire departments to which they're connected. By using real-time monitoring as a predictive tool for scheduled maintenance, employees can organize more effectively when a scheduled machine needs repair to minimize the disruption. Another advantage of real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance is that it keeps everyone on the floor safe. A data monitoring system that notices an anomaly with a machine could save someone from harm by stopping production and fixing the machine immediately, especially if running it in its current state poses a danger to those working with and around it. Recognizing safety hazards is yet another reason innovations like real-time machine learning and predictive maintenance are important for any workplace. For more information on this story or how CyberStreams can help you understand your cyber fit score using our proprietary cyber fit assessment, check out the description or comments accompanying this content. This concludes your CyberStream system update, and this is Matt Cordell signing off.